Hi everybody, welcome back to the baking aisle. Today we're going to be baking pumpkin pound cake. So let's begin by placing a sieve over a bowl, and then in that sieve we're going to be adding 250 grams of all-purpose flour, and then to that we're going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of allspice, and a quarter teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. And then we're going to give that a good sift. After that, you want to bring in your spatula and give it a good mix. And then we're going to set this aside. So we're bringing in another bowl, and to that we're going to be adding 250 grams of unsalted butter, I have here a combination of 150 grams of white sugar and 50 grams of brown sugar. And then we're going to use a hand mixer, and then we'll give that a good mix until it becomes light and fluffy. You want to remember to always scrape down the sides of your bowl. That is a very important step, guys. And then the next thing is I have here 250 grams of eggs that I have already beaten until it is light and fluffy. So I'm going to stream that in, and then I'll give it a light mixing with my spatula. Next, I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I'll mix it again. Next step is to add 3/4 cups of my pumpkin puree. If you want to know how I make my pumpkin puree, I will be leaving the link in my description box, so check it out. And of course, it's pretty easy and simple. Next, we're going to fold in our dry ingredients in 3 batches. Now that we have all our dry ingredients in, it's time to transfer these into our already prepared pan. And of course, we'll be baking this in our oven that is already preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for anywhere between 40 and 45 minutes, or until our skewer comes out clean. Here is the finished cake, guys. It's so yummy. It smells so good right now in my kitchen, and this cake is really moist. You can see. Look guys, it's so good. Well guys, thank you so much for watching to the end, and if you've not already subscribed, consider doing so. And of course, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and then I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.